Thank you for joining me in this calming, coherent breathing meditation, a simple technique for reducing anxiety and stress levels, improving your sleep and recovery, and regulating your nervous system. We will take 5 breaths per minute, which synchronizes communication between your heart and your brain. This will leave you feeling relaxed and recharged, while optimizing your body's natural ability to self-regulate. And when you're ready, close your eyes and let's begin. Now breathe in and out through your nose, feeling the natural flow of your inhale and your exhale. During this practice, it's normal that your mind may wander. So if this happens, simply notice any thoughts and stay relaxed. Notice the expansion of your inhale and feel the softening of your exhale. Synchronizing your brain and your heart's rhythm with each and every breath. Breathing in and out through your nose to a rhythm of 6 seconds. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Continue to the rhythm of 6 seconds. Breathe out, keeping your breath smooth and steady. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave washing over a sunlit shore. Each wave cleanses your body and your mind. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Each breath should feel complete and connected. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Coherent breathing ignites gratitude, breathe out, joy, and compassion. With every breath, fill your heart with gratitude. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel each breath drawing in joy and compassion. Thoughts may come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Stay relaxed and let your breath lead the way. Your breath is a constant anchor in your physical body. A conscious reminder coming back home to you. When we breathe with compassion, we radiate love. Feel the deep connection you share with all beings. Envision your heart expanding with compassion. Connecting with all of the life around you. Let your breath be a vehicle of compassion. It carries kindness and care through your body and beyond. Feel your heart and mind aligning with every breath. Let the seeds of joy grow within you, blossoming into a peaceful smile. Observe the changes in your body and notice how you feel. Acknowledge the clarity, calmness, and connection within. Letting go of the breath and notice your natural rhythm. Remember, these moments of gratitude, appreciation, and compassion are always accessible with just a few mindful breaths. My name is Mark Moon, and I look forward to our next session together at the X Breath.